I'm gonna go take it off of the Range Rover, bring it over to the tire shop, get the new tire put on the rim, and then bring the rim and tire back and mount it onto the Range Rover. So I'm about to pull up over there now. I'm almost there, and yeah, we're gonna get it done. All right, stay tuned. Here is the rim with the flat tire. We'll go ahead and get started on getting that tire off. The tools that we're working with to get the job done. We got our jack, 6-ton jack stand, impact gun. Alright, so we got the tire up off the ground. Use our impact gun to loosen the lugs. As you can see. Our wheel off. Got our wheel off. We're gonna go load it up in the car. Don't have the truck today. The truck is out of service. Getting some work done, so gotta use the car to get this work done. We made it to the tire shop. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. I think a new tire costs $300 for the new tire. So yeah. So good now. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Go ahead and load it back up. We're back. Got our tire. New tire. Mounted onto the rim. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and mount it onto the vehicle. Mounted. Well, that's a heavy rim and tire. It's not light. 24-inch rim. I'm gonna tighten up the lug nuts. Got that here. Battery. Let's go. Real quick, I don't think I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, but when you do have a Forgiato wheel, it comes with this little suction device, right? So you go ahead and attach that there, like that. Put that there. You give it a go, and it comes right off. All right, so when you're working with Forgiatos, in order for you to get to the lugs, you need the suction device. That it should come with it when you purchase your set of wheels. Alright, go right in. Alright, so there you go. God bless. It's not always roadside assistance on the road. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to make house calls. Sometimes you'll be in places and situations that it's hard to imagine. You know what I'm saying? But it's not always roadside. Today we're garage side, fixing that flat. All right, so that's how you do it. The Range is ready to roll, and We're out of here. Peace.